Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can change targeting mode if it's locked or grayed out to turn on your aim assist on GTA 5 Online. So if on GTA 5 Online we go on settings and we go on gamepad, we can see that targeting mode free aim is grayed out or locked. So this means you don't have aim assist on your controller. So what you need to do here, if you want to change that, you need to go to online, you need to go and leave GTA Online and go to the story mode. But keep in mind that when you change the targeting mode, not to free aim but to aim assist, you will get to the lobbies with aim assist too, so you cannot play with a MNK players, right? So but still, if you want to change that, then you just need to go to settings and then you need to go to gamepad. Now, as you can see here, I can change it to whatever I like. Aim assist full, as you can see here. And if we go back to as you can see here, if we go back on to online mode, the settings should be changed. But I believe I need to wait for a couple of minutes here until the game loads up. So I will pause the video and then I will show you on in-game. So as you can see here, guys, I'm on online mode again. And if I go to settings and then gamepad, now as you can see here, targeting mode is locked, but now is changed. Right, so that's pretty much it. And if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care.